Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enter cheat codes in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. On GTA 5 PC there are three ways to enter and use cheat codes. The first method is through the cheat console. To open it, press the tilde key, usually located below the escape key on your keyboard. Once the console opens, type in the cheat code. For example, typing buzz off and pressing enter will spawn a helicopter in the game. The second method is using a controller. With a controller connected, you can enter cheat codes by pressing specific button combinations. Each cheat has its own combination, and entering it correctly will activate the cheat immediately. The third method is by using your in-game phone. Press the up button on the D-pad. Go to Contacts, press space to dial, and type in the cheat code. For example, entering a specific code and pressing call will activate the cheat, just like using the console. So that's basically how you can enter cheat codes in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks!